Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Papa John's Pizza. This is ticker PZZA. Papa John's, like many stocks, have had quite a recovery off of the lows, just over 100% since the huge plunge here. Recently, it's been basing along the 50-day moving average, which is a major moving average, and today bounced off the 50-day, held above, and is kind of building, again, a little bit of a base pattern here, a little bit of sideways consolidation above the 50-day moving average. Now, that's what we would like. As swing traders, we like solid bases of support. And ideally, we'd like to see Papa John's Pizza hold above that 50-day moving average and, if possible, break above $63. Now, the reason I'm bullish on this stock, this company came out today to say that they are looking to hire more people because they're having trouble keeping up with the demand of contact-free delivery. Now, I don't know about you, but in this quarantine, I'm eating a lot of groceries because we're not going out, but I kind of get tired of the same thing all the time. So we, at our house, we get delivery quite frequently now. So keep an eye on Papa John's Pizza. I think you could have an alert on this at around $63. Take a look at it. And then, of course, you'd want a stop just below the 50-day moving average because that is the level we'd want to hold as support. So keep this one on your watch list. And if you haven't already, be sure and sign up for Dan Fitzpatrick's free stock chart of the day at StockMarketMentor.com. We'll catch you next time.